Hi, good day, M6141. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Arlene Ariate. I'm 46 years old. I am married with a daughter of 22 years old.
Your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic and
How?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
I worked before at Middle East in Kuwait as a nanny. Yeah.
Okay, your main duty as a helper.
Yes, I only take care of a 6 years old girl with disabilities. She have she cannot walk. She have half body paralyzed.
Okay.
It's
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
sometimes if I'm not busy with her, I also help my coworker to wash dishes and uh, clean the kitchen, table, and
Okay,
also the other kids with the sisters. I also help them.
taking care of them.
Yes.
And also, in your employer, they have 1 year old, right?
Yes.
1 year old baby girl. Sometimes you look after that,
Yes.
the baby.
Yes.
Okay, so you know
Yes.
how to take care of a newborn or a baby, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, do you have an idea how to prepare a meal for a newborn?
Yes, I do.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check her if she have a fever, then if her tummy is bloated or her diaper is full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you
Maybe
do?
I call her parents.
And what will you tell to the parents?
Yeah, I tell them their child is not stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yeah, aside from high salary, it's near in Philippines, and it's nice the people there.
Okay, and also, Hong Kong is the safest country to work
Yes,
with,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'm planning to finish my contract course, and then if my employer want me to stay, I will.
You will stay longer
Yes.
with your employer. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, nothing, but I want to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
Now it's like it's easy to watch in videos on Google or YouTube like that.
Okay, and you could also read some cookbooks, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and also if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to
Yes,
prepare.
yes.
Okay, it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, of course.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yeah, it's
How
no
about
problem.
sharing room with kids? It is okay with you?
Yes, no problem.
How about if your employers have a prior commitment on holiday or in a Sunday setup? It is okay to you to work?
No problem. I will.
Okay. It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly?
I don't know how, but I will try.
Okay, you could try because you will learn if you're
Yes,
trying,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Of course, I want to learn.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I will do my best to do all the things, all the work. Yes, then I will love your kids as my own. Then I try to finish my contract.
You will try, or you will do to
I
finish
will
your...
do to finish my contract.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Arlene. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.